Installing the application is very straightforward. First visit zipcloud.com/download in your web browser of choice. The download should then commence automatically. It depends on how you have your browser set up. However, the website will recognise your browser and give you on-screen instructions. Basically though, if the download doesn't happen automatically, click the download button. Once the download is completed, simply open the installer file and the installation process will commence. On the pop-up window, simply double-click on the package icon and follow the steps on screen. The application will then install onto your Mac. Then it will prompt you for your login details. Now if you're installing this on a second computer, please ensure you're using the same login details you have on your existing account. The application will then authenticate with our servers. Then you have the option of choosing what you want to back up, whether you want to back up documents or a custom selection. As soon as it's installed, the backup process will begin, presuming you have a license to back up the computer you're installing the application on.